Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, the upcoming Galaxy A82, someone call it Galaxy Quantum 2. The leak is here. The Galaxy A80 from 2019 was of the more unique model in Samsung lineup, but it did not get a sequel, which may be about to change. Though it will be a sequel in name only. It's really more of the follow-up of the Galaxy A Quantum than an A80 series model. In South Korea, this phone will be known as the Samsung Galaxy Quantum 2 and will be exclusives at the carrier SKT. The exciting part of the rest of the world is that, according to rumors, this hardware will be sold under the name of the Galaxy A82 globally. So this is, as you can see, this is the Samsung Galaxy Quantum 2 aka Galaxy A82. It's a retail package for the SK Telecom. However, there is no flip-up camera, the defining feature of the A80. Instead, it will have a punch hole in its 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. 1080p plus resolution, 800 nits brightness with no moving components. This will phone be a water resistant IP67. Interestingly, the Galaxy A82 may be powered by the Snapdragon 855 plus chipset. It is possible this is the case of mistaken identity, of course, and the chip could actually be Snapdragon 860. Either way, it will be hooked with a 6 GB of RAM and a 128 GB storage with a microSD for a future expansion. Moving on, the rear camera, as you can see, this is the triple camera setup, 64 megapixel main camera plus OIS next to the Galaxy S21 Plus on the right, and 6 GB and 128 GB plus a micro SD slot in this picture. Moving on, the rear camera, it will be 64 megapixel module with OIS based on an IMX686 sensor. The other two modules are still wrapped up in a mystery. The phone will be equipped with a 4500 mAh battery with the support of 25-watt fast charging. Throughout, it will ship with a 15-watt charger. The retail package for SKT Quantum 2 will also include a transparent case and headphones. Those want to see much use, as the carrier will give a free pair of the Galaxy Buds Live as a pre-order bonus in a mystic bronze color. Of course, the international retail package could be a different. Interestingly, the Quantum 2 will also feature MST, something that the Samsung has starting phasing out of its phone. Again, the global model could be different. While the leaked info omits whether the 5G phone it is almost creationally is that the original Quantum was. That said, the Snapdragon 855 plus 862 can be configured as a 4G only with a 5G connectivity. This leaves the door open for a 2 version of the Galaxy A82. Samsung and SKT will unveil a launch of the Galaxy Quantum 2 on April 23 and this month. There is no information on when it will go globally as the Galaxy A82. Let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the Galaxy A82? And also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.